Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute birthday cake with a candle. Let's get started! Welcome to Glitty Art. First, draw a candle with a bright little flame. Now, let's draw the top layer of the cake. Add some fun details to make it look extra yummy. Next, I'm drawing the main body of the cake and adding some zigzag patterns to decorate it. Lastly, let's draw the base of the cake at the bottom to complete the drawing. Wow, our drawing is done. Now it's time to colors. First, I choose a shiny golden color for the flame. Then I pick a cool cyan to color the part of the candle that wasn't colored yet, and the base of the cake. Next, I pick a lovely purple to color the extra part of the candle and the bottom layer of the cake's body. It's time for some sweetness. I use pink to color the top layer of the cream. And finally, I pick a warm brown to color the upper layer of the cake's body. If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a glittery drawing. Yay! Our colorful cake drawing is complete and looks so delicious and sparkly. See you next time on Glitty Art. Bye!